Okay, so to make this stitch pattern, we will need a multiple of 3 plus 1 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we will continue with multiple of 3 plus 1 until we have the desired length of the chain. Now that I have a multiple of 3 plus 1 stitches, I will chain 1 because I need to start with a single crochet. So then into the second stitch I will make a single crochet. Then I will chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches and go into the next with a single crochet. And repeat 1, 2, 3, skip the next 2, 1 single crochet. And let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, skip the next 2 stitches and 1 single crochet. And we will repeat this until the end of the row. We will finish the row with another repeat. So chain 3, skip 2 and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. And this was the first row. Now chain 3 and then into the first single crochet we're doing a double crochet. Then into the 3 chain space we're doing a single crochet. And now into the single crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet and 1 single crochet into the 3 chain space. And now we will start to repeat. So in every single crochet we will do 3 double crochet and then into the 3 chain space single crochet. And we will do this until the last 3 chain space, and I will show you right away how we will finish the this row. Okay, so we are about to finish the row, and remember that we start with chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the first single crochet. So now we will finish into the last single crochet with 2 double crochet. Okay, and now we finish the second row, and this is part of the pattern repeat. And now the third row will always also be a part of the stitch pattern repeat. So I just chained 1 and turn, and now 1 single crochet into the first double crochet. Then I will chain 3 and I will go into the middle double crochet from the 3 double crochet group that I made with a single crochet. And now I will repeat. So chain 3, going into the second double crochet, chain 3 and going into the second double crochet. And we will repeat until the end of the row. And when we have to finish the row, we will chain 3 and into the third chain we will go with 1 single crochet. And now what we have to do is to repeat row number 2 and row number 3 until we get to the desired length. So let's just start another row. So I chain 3, then another double crochet into the first single crochet, then 1 single crochet into the 3 chain space, then 3 double crochet into the next single crochet, and 1 single crochet into the 3 chain space. And we will continue like so. I really love this pattern because it creates small diamonds over here, so it's pretty nice. So let's continue to work a few more rounds, a few more rows, and see how this pattern looks when we have a bigger fabric. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far after a few more rounds. Rows, I don't know what I'm saying all the time, rounds. So I think after blocking, this spaces over here will become bigger and it'll look really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next week for another stitch pattern for spring and summer.